As inner layers clear and soften, the weight of form grows light. What once appeared a solid ground now loosens in its hold. The body fades from center stage, no longer claimed as self. Awareness turns from shape and name toward what has always been. Through purification, freedom comes from binding form and sight. The pull of surface falls away, revealing inner light. No longer tied to passing shapes or what the senses show. The soul remembers unity and learns to let form go. Each layer gently refined, the currents start to align. Thought grows quiet, feeling clears, the inner field made whole. What once demanded grasp or care now passes without need. The timeless calls more clearly now than anything that fades. Through purification, freedom comes from binding form and sight. The pull of surface falls away, revealing inner light. No longer tied to passing shapes or what the senses show. The soul remembers unity and learns to let form go. Desire dissolves without a fight, no struggle, no retreat. The truth of what endures remains calm, steady, and complete. From this release, a deeper choice is quietly made clear. To serve through love, not longing, free from need or fear. In purity, the soul stands free beyond the pull of form, aligned with what is always here, unbound, complete, and